that file, and sort of like that. So here's for that, and then we have another one. This one I found that it very nicely explains the full chunk of what Git data flow is all about. You have your working directory. Now this is that directory. Remember, you have when you were going through your links, there was one which says 15 minutes. Learn Git in 15 minutes. So whatever commands you were typing, that is your working directory. And when you had created one file called octacat, something like that, right? So for that, whatever you were creating was in this working directory. And index. Now again, a very important term, which again you should know when you're using this. So there are two places to store your data: working copy, which are folders, files, and there's something another which is data store, where the version control decides how to pack and store your changes. So in Git, there's a third option, and this is that staging area, or in short, index, wherein your data is just in between that layer, as you can see, between the layer of that local repository and working directory. Nice way wherein I can explain that would be this. Yep, staging area. And over here, this one metaphorically describes, what exactly do you interpret by staging area? A loading dock where you get to determine what changes get shipped away. And you can navigate and you can interact with this index by basic two commands, which even you had studied in that 15-minute tutorial which you had. Uh, One of them is git add and another is git command. So add files, as even this one states, it's add files onto index once a and over here metaphorically again it explains to you what these two more commands will do. Don't worry, we'll be learning more about it shortly. And then coming back to that structure of ours. Yep. So from here, this is where your index is, the staging area. So in short, it's you're just working over here right now. And once you save and once you write the command commit, git commit, or some other command related to it, what you're just basically adding it on to your local repository. Now, repository is an on-disk data structure, which is storing your data for a set of file or directories. It's just you should just have a basic idea of what all these keywords are. If you're not getting it, don't worry. You should just know these keywords. That's all. And then there's another two keywords which are important is push and pull. When you push, what you're doing is you are making it go into a remote repository wherein all your other URLs and that server is, where you are about to just transport it for other people. Main purpose is to store a set of files as well as history of changes made to files. So over here you'll do that. And with pull, you're just extracting whatever you want, your required files and whatever you had or someone else had pushed onto that repository into your working directory. So with this, if you have any more doubts, you can log on to git.scm.com. From there only you downloaded all your softwares. And Tushar, if you could take over. Was I too fast or something? Okay, yeah, fine. Hello. No, 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 it's not. What? No, no. What do you want to do? Oh yeah, sorry. I was, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I know.
Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, cool. Fine. I'll start off now. Yeah. Okay. So all of you guys go to the link over here, which I'm posting again and again. Yeah. So if all of you guys are on there, just give me a yes. Yeah. Just type in yes, yes. If anybody's not there, just type in no. That's easier. Yeah, cool. So everybody seems to be on there. So basically, that link has all the commands that I'm going to be using today. So you guys can just follow along with me. Yeah. So what you need to do right now is that there's this thing called Git Bash. So wait, how many of you guys are using Windows? Everybody. Okay, fine. So you have this thing called Git Bash over there, right? Git Bash. So open up Git Bash, and once you're done, like tell me yes. Done, everybody. Yeah, okay. So basically, you'll have something like this, right? You'll have a prompt with your name or something. Yeah, right. So what I want you to do is, what I want you to, I want you to type in CD and then a folder like say web club web git session. Yeah, my bad. Can everybody like us? Okay, wait. Can everybody like us thing us see my screen also properly? Yeah, okay. So what happens when you do MKDAR web session? You have a new folder called um, a web session. Okay. So now you have to go into that folder. So you do that by typing in uh, CD space web session. Okay, and then press enter. So now your prompt will change. It'll become like you'll have a slash web session at the end. Yeah, cool. Everybody done. Yeah, done. Okay, cool. So now basically what you've done is you have a new folder and you're inside that folder. Okay. So if you want to list all the files in that folder, there's this command called ls. Type in ls and enter. You have nothing there, right? You have nothing in the file, so you have nothing there. Okay. So now we have to initialize the Git repository here. So for initializing the Git repository, the command we follow is this thing: git init. So type in git init, and then you'll have this output of initialize empty git repository in the path name. Everybody like got that? Oh, um, okay. Does somebody have speakers on? Oh, so you didn't hear me. So you didn't hear anything till now. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. Oh, till where did you guys reach? Did you do this thing? LS, fine. Okay, after LS, what you okay? Okay, fine. If you reach LS, then what you should do is so basically okay. So Matthew, what do you do? You have to do MKDAR. You have to do this MKDAR WebKit session, and then do CD WebKit session, and then do LS. Yeah, Matthew, cool. Can you guys hear me now? Cool. So the next step, what you do? You have to type in this thing, git init. Okay, wait. Sorry. Git init. Yeah. Everybody type in git init. Yeah, if you can't hear me that well, then you remember the link I gave you, right? The other link. You can just use in that link. I've written all the commands that I'm using, so you can just follow along as I say. So now we're at the first command right now. Yeah, that's the git init command. Cool. Hello. Wait, I'll just stop screen sharing and start sharing again. 1 second. Okay, fine. I'll make it bigger. Okay, it's too big. Now, can they see it now? Anmati? Is this better? Hello? Okay, Chuck, it's fine. Like we will continue like this, and nothing more I can do about this. Yeah, it's okay. So we'll go on. So once you do git init, you will have this initialize empty git repository in path output. Yeah, everybody got that. Does anybody have any problem with git init? No problems. Everybody else? No problems. Okay, cool. That's good. Yeah. So basically now what you have is like you've initialized the git repository inside that folder. Okay. So now okay. Now run this command git status. So once you run git status, like you see this on branch master thing, right? So basically masters the branch you're currently on, and there's this initial commit. Basically you have nothing to commit right now, and your working directory is also clean. What that means is like basically your folder, there's nothing in your folder right now, right? So like it's an empty file. That's all. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, cool. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new file. Okay, so creating a new file in Windows, I think the command is notepad new.txt. Yeah, I think this will work in Windows. So if you do that and then like don't put any content in there, you just put notepad new.txt and then you just say no when it's asked you if you want to create content. In Linux, there's a command called touch which you can use. Yeah, you can just do touch.new.txt and then we have new.txt here. So basically, what I want you to do is I want all of you to like create a new file. You can just open your GUI and go there and create a new file. Even that is cool. So basically like create a new file. Oh, and Linux is better in every way, not just this. So tell me once you're done with this, yeah. Like create a blank new file called new.txt. Okay, everybody else, Vishal and Narendra done. Okay, I want you to create a new file called new.txt inside that folder. Okay, so the command in Windows is notepad new.txt. If not, what you can do is you can go to like you can open up open up the folder, and inside that you just create a new file like you normally do. But if you want to be cool and be a hacker, then you can do this. Yeah, cool. Okay, cool. So everybody done? Who else is on? I have three duns over here. Then there are more people, right? Samyak. Yeah, okay. Samyak is done. Matthew. Oh, okay, fine. Everybody is there. Okay, so basically, okay. Now they create a new file. Type in ls. Okay, type in ls. Once you type ls, like you can see over here a new.txt. Basically, that is a new file base. So you have the new file inside your folder right now. Okay, cool. So now what you're gonna do is now you're gonna type in git status again. Wait, I'll just clear this and I'll type in git status. So now you can see on branch master, initial commit, and then you have this new thing at the end, right? Untrack files, use git add file. So basically, we were saying the new.txt is a file which is there, which is new, but then like but then git is not tracking it currently. Yeah, okay. So now what we do is so basically now we want to track that file. So for tracking that file, what we do is this. We do this command git add and then the file name. For us, the file name right now is new.txt. So once you do that, so it's everybody there? Is everybody at git add? Did you guys understand what's happening till now? Yeah, okay, fine. Cool, cool. You'll understand later. Like it takes some time, but then like it's an amazing tool to work with Git. Yeah. Okay, so sort of is good enough for now. Uh, okay, so once you add the new.txt, you can do git status again. So now you'll see that like basically like you see changes to be committed. So new file has changed from untracked files. It's come to changes to be committed. So basically now what it means is the new.txt has added to your staging area. So those are the technical terms which you don't really need to care about. With the basic work, like okay, so once you do this, so basically now you added the file, right? Now you have to commit the file. Only once you commit the file, that's you're committing the files the final stage of doing your stuff. So you're telling it that I'm done. These are all the changes I want to do, and I'm committing it. These are the set of things I want to do. Okay, so that you do by doing this git commit, and then the minus m flag is so as to add a message. So minus m, you say added new.txt. Okay, did you guys do this thing git commit? Yeah, cool. No errors, right, till now? Okay. What error did you get, Sanmati? Okay, I'm not really sure what the error is. Path spec not found. Okay, wait, give me 1 second. Tell me the command you typed, this Sanmati. Can you hear me? It's just copy paste the command you typed in. Git commit. Okay, you have to do this first. You have to do git commit minus m, and then in double quotes you have to type in some message like that. That's the syntax for it. Okay, try now. See if it works. Okay, fine. So everybody's here now, right? So basically, now what you did was you create a new file, you add the file to the to be tracked, and then you committed it. So basically, this is the workflow I'll be using all the time. So the workflow is like this: you make a change, you add the new file, and then you commit it. Okay, so basically, it's add and uh, change, add and commit. Yeah. So that's going to be how we're going to work with Git. Okay, so once you understand that much, then it's fine. Like this is the basically the same thing which you're going to be repeating. So I like illustrate that over here. So basically, open up your new.txt and then I add some line on it. So I'm going to just say first line. Okay, open up new.txt and in this thing in the uh, I'm not sure if Vim will work in Windows. In Windows, you use Notepad and do it. It's fine. I don't have Windows, so I don't know. Vim works. Okay, awesome. So just do this. Just make first line. Just in the first line, just add some content and then like quit. And this is save and quit. Cool. Yeah, Vim is basically VI improved. My favorite editor. So yeah, that's what I use a lot. Okay, done. Just add some random content into it, like this first line or whatever. Everybody else, okay, awesome. That's really good to see. But then some people might not know how to use Vim. Like it's not like a normal what you see is what you get editor. Like you have to know how to use it to properly use Vim. There are modes and stuff. So like if you've already done your computer programming course, and then you'll know. Otherwise you won't know, right? Yeah. So if everybody's done, just Matthew, who else is there? Yeah, Sanmati is done. Sindhura's done. Oh, okay, everybody's done, right? So, okay, now you go back here and try this. Try Git status again. Yeah, did that. So again, you guys can see over here, right? Like over here now we have modified new.txt. So basically, Git knows that you made a change to that file new, right? So once you want to commit that, like once you want to make that change permanent, what you do is you do this. Again, you commit. Okay, basically to add first. My bad. Git add. So instead of always typing in the typing in the file name, you can use the shortcut. You can use git add dot. What I'll do it like I'll add all the files which have not been added. So I'll add this. So I can you see my bad. I can see my status again. So you can see now it's green. Means that means I have to commit this. I've added it. I have to commit it. So now to commit it again, I do this. Same thing. Git commit minus m. First line to new.txt. Yeah, cool. Okay, Sindhura, did you open Vim? If you open Vim, the command to go back is escape and then press colon WQ. Escape colon WQ. Worked? It worked, yeah? Okay, cool. So you understood the workflow, right? You make a change, then you add that change, and then you commit it. Okay. So you can see your history of your commits like this. If you type in git log, yeah, you see these two commits over here. These are the commits I've made so far, right? So what the git log does is basically like it'll tell you the like what are commits you made, when you made those commits, and the message that you added with those commits. Cool. So everybody understood the workflow, right? Oh, you have to make a change. Once you make a change, you add that file. Then once you add that file, you commit that file. Yeah. So That is the basic principle of committing and this thing in Git, version control in Git. Okay, if you understand that much, then you can do a lot. Like that's the very basic of Git. So if everybody is ready, like we'll move on to the next part. Okay, wait. Sindhura, did you add first? Okay, Sanmati, wait. I'm not really sure what. Like, wait a second. Yeah, you have to add first and then commit. Okay, Sanmati, wait. Let me just check what your error is. Like you typed in git log only, right? Okay, fine. Like before that, what did you do? Everything else worked properly for you. Status works for you properly. Okay, so only git log doesn't work. That's very weird. Wait, give me a second. Okay, did you commit anything, Sanmati? What does git status say? Okay, so you have to commit it first, right? Once you have to add it and then you have to commit it. So you have to run commit first and then you have to run. Okay, you commit it also, fine. And still it's giving you error when you run git log. But then if you committed it, then git status should not give you the green file. I mean the new file in green. If you committed it, then the status will look like this. On branch master, nothing to commit, working directory clean. So show me what your this thing does now. Git status. Okay, commit then. No. What's happening, Sarmati? It worked, huh? Okay, awesome. So everything okay for you, right? So basically, so now what we covered is how to commit your changes like into Git, right? So the next thing what I want to talk about is branching. So basically now all of you like type in this command, please. Git branch. So once you type in git branch, like you see you see the star and master thing, right? Basically, what that means is like you're on this branch master. Okay. What you can do, so basically, like the good thing about having branches is, like, suppose this is a program, and your master branch will be your proper branch, like everything will be working on the master branch. And suppose you want to add something new to it. So instead of working on the master branch, you'll make a branch, you'll make a new branch, like you'll work on it there, and then once you're done with working on it there, you can just merge it back into master branch. So like you won't have lost, like suppose if you work on master branch, and suppose you messed up something, your program is gone, right? That doesn't happen anymore. Okay, so it's um, a good practice to make new branches before making changes. Okay, did everybody hear me properly? Yeah, just read through the README file on the link also, right? Like as I'm speaking also, because I've written the stuff there also. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, you can just read and hopefully understand. Cool. Yeah. So for creating a new branch, what you do is you type in this. You type in git branch and then whatever you want to name your new branch. So over here, I'm going to press called new branch. Yeah. So now when I type in git branch again, I see that there's master and there's new branch. Okay. But then the star means I'm on master right now. So I want to move to new branch. So how do I do that? For moving on to new branch, what I do is I do git checkout new branch. Now I'm on new branch. As you can see, when I do git branch, I'm on new branch right now. Yeah. Is that clear? Okay. So this is branching, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a change in. Okay, you can give status here and see what happens. You see on branch, new branch, nothing to commit, working directly clean. If you run git log, okay, I'm going to do this minus one line thing because otherwise, like it'll take up my whole screen. You can see that there are two commits over here, and and master also we have two commits, right? There are two commits in master, and we have two commits on this thing right now. Basically, we have everything that is on master like right now on new branch. Fine. So I'm going to make a new change to new.txt. I'm going to add a second line. I'm going to add second line. Okay. I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to follow the same thing which we did before. I'm going to add new.txt, and I'm going to commit over here. Okay. Did you guys like follow me till there? Okay. Did you guys do that? Did you make new.txt and add a second line to that and save it and commit it? Okay. Awesome work, Narendra. Okay, Vishal. Where's there left? Sindhura's done. Matthew's done. Mega. Mega's done. And one more person there, right? Okay, everybody's done. Fine. So now type in, okay, I'll just clear my screen. Type in git log over here. Like you see that there are three commits over here, right? So this is on branch, new branch, right? So now suppose I go back to master right now. So how do I go back to master? I do git checkout master. Fine. So now I'm on master again. So I run git log minus one line again. But then that's only two commits on master. Okay. And open a new file once you're on master. There's only one line. Okay. So did you guys understand what's happening here? Like on branch master, like you have the old changes. But if I go back to the other branch, if I go back to new branch, and I open up the file, I have two lines over here. But then and then this thing has all three commits. But then in master, I only have two commits, only one line and two commits. Did you understand that part? Please tell me if you don't understand. Yeah, because I'll help you out. Okay, fine. I'll repeat it once more. So, Mega, till where did you understand? Okay, you understand how to make a new branch, right? Okay, so what I did was once I made a new branch. Okay, give me a second over here. Somebody's here. Okay, so yeah, so basically what I did was once I made a new branch, I moved to the new branch, and inside that new branch, like once I came to new branch, like I made a I made a change to the file. Like I added. Okay, my bad. Wait a second. Let me just go to new branch. Yeah, I'll go to new branch. Once I went to new branch, I made a change to new.txt. I added a second line to new.txt. Okay, and then after that, I did the same thing. I added new.txt and then I committed new.txt. Okay, do you understand that much? Okay, fine. So basically, now on branch new.txt, I have this third commit, right? But then on branch master, I only have two commits even now. Okay, so basically, what this does is like you can make changes in your other branch, you can experiment stuff in your other branch and stuff, but then it won't affect master. That's what I'm trying to tell you over here. So like if I go back to master and I open up new.txt, there's only one line. Okay, do you understand? Okay, awesome. Um, So everybody understood, right? So basically, what this means is like basically now what we've done is like suppose you have you can visualize as sort of a tree a tree of sorts, yeah. So basically now what we did was like we deviated from the okay wait I'll show you I'll show those pictures to you guys later. Yes, definitely. You can create new directories. You can do whatever you want. You can add them. You can commit them. But then they'll access only a new branch. When you go back to master, they won't access. Okay. And now I'll tell you like suppose you did okay wait Vishal left, let him come back, yeah, let Vishal come back and we'll continue. Is he coming back, or do you guys have any contact with him? Yeah, just ask him. Huh? If not, we can continue. That's right. Yes, you can delete a file, but then that will give you something called as conflict. I'll explain more. Um, Basically, what happened? Matthew, I didn't understand your question. Like, okay, like transfer files, huh? Why would you need to do that? Like you can always like you can if you suppose you have to transfer this file you can merge them definitely like right now I have this new branch right now, right? So I'm going to make this new branch merge into master branch. Fine. Like just wait for like 2 minutes. Once Vishal comes back, I'll tell you what exactly happens when you merge stuff. Okay, so yeah, so while you're waiting for it, can someone tell me what's the workflow that this thing follow for this thing Git, the basic workflow? Exactly. Perfect. Glad to see you guys understood. Okay, and like why would you need branches? Did you understand that part? Okay, someone tell me, no, like, okay, fine. Ask, like, Sindhura, tell me, why do you need branches? Exactly. Perfect. Okay. So, fine. Did you guys do the try git tutorial? Yeah. Okay. Fine. So basically, you guys know all this stuff already. Yeah. Fine. It's just an interaction, right? So I thought I get everybody up to speed on the basic stuff, and then Matthew didn't do it, I guess. Okay. I'll just take a break and go drink water and come back. Yeah. Okay. I'm back. Nagarjuna, can you wait? Uh, uh, I'll finish this part and then you can do whatever you want. Yeah, cool, fine. And we are actually pretty awesome. You guys just don't know it yet. Yes, I am not kidding you. Okay, fine. Anyway, let's continue. He's not coming back, right, Vishal? Yeah, he's not coming back. Okay, so anyway, continue. Cool, guys. So now what we did was like we have two branches and we made an extra commit on the new branch and now basically what I want to merge that change into the master branch. Okay, so what I'm going to do is for merging stuff, I'll check out the master branch. Git checkout master. Wait, I'll just clear the screen. Okay, git checkout master and then because I want to merge new branch into master, from here I type in git merge new branch. Okay, so now what happened was after merging you can see when I open new.txt I have the second line also upload new.txt and even in the log you'll have all three commits. Cool. Matthew, I answered a question about transferring files. Everybody like try merging. Did it work? Oh, what happened, Samyak? You got a merge traffic already. Okay, fine. I was going to say, okay, fine. You did more than just add a line, didn't you? Okay, wait. I I'll tell you how to fix that. That's my uh, next area. So if you guys just add one line, then it'll work properly. If you do like if you change something that's already existing, then you might have a conflict. Matthew, I didn't get you. Okay, don't mess around here. I'll kick you out. Okay, is everybody done? Mega. Okay, fine. So no problems, right? You guys saw how this the new file I have after merging as like both the lines, right? Okay, cool. So now that is done. So while merging, you might have this small like Samya got you might get a conflict. Okay. So I'll show you like when you'll get a conflict. Suppose okay. One more thing. Like now that you're done with new branch, right? So, suppose I want to delete new branch. How to delete new branch? You do this command git branch minus D new branch. So now new branch DT. You can see that there's only master branch. Cool. Okay. So now after this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new branch over here. So how to create a new branch? I do git branch. I'm going to call it conflict branch. Okay. So basically, what it was, I deleted the old branch, and now I'm creating a new branch called conflict branch. Cool. So now, um, right now I'm in master itself, right? Okay, right now I'm master. What I'm going to change new.txt. I'm going to add this third line in new.txt. Okay, I'm going to add third line in new.txt. Okay, you understand why I did that soon? Okay, so what happened, Sanmati? When did you get that error? Okay, we will fix that, but I'll just explain this and then we'll come back to you. Okay, Sanmati, that's cool. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll just explain this. Okay. So now what I did was like I created a new branch called conflict branch. After I created a new branch called conflict branch, I went ahead and I made a change in new.txt. Okay. So now again, as always, I'm going to add new.txt and I'm going to commit it. Okay. So that much is clear for everybody. So basically now what I have is on master branch, I've made a change and I've committed it. Okay, but then this has not been done now on the conflict branch. So now, okay, you can see git log. Wait, I'll just clear the screen. I have 4 commits here, right? But then if I go to my other this thing, if I go to conflict branch and I do git log, I only have 3 commits over there. Fine. So now again, on this conflict branch, I'm going to edit new.txt again, and I'm going to add a new line called third line, say from conflict branch. Okay, again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add it, and I'm going to commit it. Okay, this one is cool for everybody. So basically now what you have is on master branch you made a like on master branch you made a change and you committed, but then in conflict branch also you made a change and you committed, right? So now what happened, and then on both of these things, if you see, okay, wait, okay, okay, that didn't work as planned. Okay, fine. Basically, what I want to show you guys was like in conflict branch. Wait, give me a second. Uh, uh, Like in a conflict branch, what I have is okay. Wait. I'm sorry. I'm on master. Okay. On master, NeuroTXT has this third line saying third line from master. But then when I go to have this a third line from conflict branch. Yeah. Okay. Basically, what it means is on this third line, there's a difference between the master branch and the conflict branch. Okay. So now what happens when I try to merge this thing is when I go to master and then I try to merge conflict branches, I will get a conflict. Okay. Fine. So did you guys understand why I got the conflict? Hello. Exactly. Because like when Git is trying to merge this thing, there are there's one commit in master that's new, and there's one commit in new conflict one that is new, and then in both and in these two new commits they're editing the same line, right? Okay, so what happens? So if you're editing the same line in the two commits that are being merged, that means there's a conflict. Git does not uh, Git does not know uh, uh, which line to keep. So it will ask you to fix the conflict. My bad. Okay, so how you fix the conflict is like you see it over here, like auto merge in your txt. You have a conflict, merge conflict in your txt. So you open up your txt. So when you open up your txt, you have these weird new symbols, right? Can you see those symbols? Like the head thing, the equal to thing, and the conflict branch thing. Yeah. Did you guys get the head thing, conflict branching, and equal thing? Okay, fine. So I'll explain what all those symbols mean. Okay, in this case, what this means is like from here, from uh, head to this thing. This content is just the content of the commit that is on your branch, like on the branch that to which it's being merged. So suppose I'm merging over here. I'm merging conflict branch to master branch, right? So on this in this case, this is the content of the commit on the master branch. Fine, but okay, and in the other thing from the equal to from here to here, this is the content in the other branch, in the branch that is being merged. Okay, fine. So to like resolve the conflict, what you have to do is you have to decide what you want. Fine. So we have to delete the stuff which you don't want, and basically you have to like, look at this and keep the stuff you want from this. So I'm saying I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this either. But then okay, fine. I'll keep these two and I'll change this to fourth line, and I'll get rid of these things also. Okay, that much clear for everybody. So guys, stop calling me sir, please. Okay, so now that you like delete all the stuff, now basically what you have to do, you have to commit it again. That's all you have to do. Okay, so again you run git status. If you run git status, you can see that new.txt has been modified, right? So you just add new.txt and you commit saying, and that's it. Your commit's been okay. Wait. See, and okay, Narendra, did you add it? Narendra, you have to add your TXT first. Only then you can do it. Still got an error. Um, yes, I got an error or worked. Error, fine. Tell me how this thing. Okay. Are you positive you added your TXT? Fine. Tell me how this thing. Like its status thing. What's the output for Git status? Chain is to be committed, right? Fine. So now try committing again. Commit, you have to give a minus m and the new this thing. Add your txt and then just to git commit minus m conflict. Sami, you got a conflict earlier, right? Did you fix that? It worked, no? Fine. Uh, Narendra still didn't work. Okay, fine, fine, awesome. So basically, now you guys know how to add files onto Git, how to commit files. You guys know how to make branches. You guys know how to merge branches, and how to do like conflict resolutions, right? Yeah. So with this much, like you can basically you can use Git for like this much is basically what you wait. With this much, you can use Git for find like this is all you need for like normal use of Git. But then if there's a lot of advanced features for Git, it's an amazing tool which takes some practice to get used to. There are things called rebase and all that stuff, which is pretty advanced. But then like you can always read about it and get used to it. But then for now, I think like this much will do for now. And okay, I also want to introduce the remotes to you guys. Okay, so like till now, all we were doing is we were working on our own system, right? Like we only have this copy is only on our system, right? Like there's no other copy. But then like when you're working on like really big software and stuff, you won't be it won't be a single person who's working on the software. There'll be a huge team which is working on it. So for the whole team to work together, what we do is like Git is very useful for that. So basically what we do is like instead of keeping it on one person's computer, this thing will be on everybody's computer. Everybody will have one local copy of the repository, and then there'll be one major copy stored on a server. So what GitHub and Bitbucket and all those sites do is they give us a place to host your code. Okay, fine, cool. Yeah. Okay. So I made this repository like I gave you that link, right? The link which I gave earlier. This one over here. So this is the repository uh, I created. Fine. So how you guys can use this repository is wait one second. I just turn on and turn it on again. Okay. Okay. That's good. Fine. Wait. Yeah. So what you guys can do right now is you guys can go over here and click this button over here, fork button over here. Okay. Do you hear me? Go to that link and click that fork button over there. Okay. So what this thing does is fork does is basically now all of you guys have like whatever your username is on GitHub, all of you guys have this personal copy of this repository that I made in your account. Okay, here. So let me just hi Fox. Okay, fine. So now what you guys can do? So basically now you have a copy on your server. You can go to your profile and check. You'll have a copy of a web club session with your username slash web club this thing, git session. Yeah, everybody got that. Okay, so basically now it's on your server. You want it on your machine, right? Because if it's on your server, you can't do anything. You can't work on it. So you want to get it on your machine. So for that, what you use, you use this command called clone. So I'll show you guys how to do it. Wait, let's see dot. Okay, wait. Give me 1 second. Okay. So for cloning the repo, what you do is you go to your repository. If it's like samyak slash vector, go there, and then you see a small box over here, right? Okay, double click on that box, copy that link. That's okay. Yeah, everybody see that? Okay. What about everybody else? Matthew, Mega. Okay, everybody is done. Fine. So now what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to go back to your terminal, like go back to a Git Bash. Okay, like in Git Bash, type this thing cd. Okay, ignore the other commands I'm typing it now. Types a cd in cd in Git Bash. Okay, everybody done that? So after you did that, type this command in git clone and then just paste that link which you copied. Okay. So when you press enter over here, what happens here is like now it's downloading all the stuff from the server. Okay, so now it's downloaded all this stuff. So now when I do ls, I have this web club git session folder. Once I go inside that, I have my readme.md file, which is the readme that's on the website. If you guys can see the log of all the comments I made. Hey Vishal. That's fine. That's fine. You can go to the link I gave you. Uh, okay. So Sanmati, I'll show you again how to clone. You go go to your repository. As in not Rohit Varki slash webclub session. Go to your ID. Okay. Whatever is your ID slash webclub session, go over there. Like wait, I think I'll be able to see it over here. 1 second. Okay. Okay, I found it. What you do, you have to go over here. You see the box over here. Copy this link. Okay, copy this link. Go back to let's say Git Bash. Go back to Git Bash and in Git Bash type in cd, so that'll take you to your default directory. Type cd in Git Bash and then do git clone. Then yeah, exactly. The command Nagar just posted. Same thing. Once you do that, like it'll show like everything's downloading like this. It'll show. Yeah, cloning into a WebClub-GIT session. Okay, Sindhura, I think you already cloned it. Okay, yeah, exactly. Type ls and delete the and do rm minus r web club. I'll just head over the link over there, like the link I gave you, right? Uh, to this link. Okay, yeah, go to that link and you have the this thing. No, the README file. No, like read that README file and understand what's happening. Yeah. So like right now, like what you have to do is you have to go to that link again, and then there's this fork button. Okay. You do the tutorial later. For now, you do this. Like you go to the link over there, and then like there'll be this fog button on the top. Do you see that? This one over here. Okay, a fork it. So once you fork it, like it'll come on your account. Like wait, I'll show you. Yeah, you see this? Like you go over here, and then like over there, like you see the box over here. In the, double click on that box, copy that link, and then like in Git Bash, copy that link, and then Sindhura, what's the command you typed in again? Can you type it here? Sindhura, ignore Git, no? There's no Git. It's just rm minus r web club Git session. How's it going, guys? Cloned yet? Awesome. Yeah. So use RM minus R, no? Okay, Sundari just yeah, minus RF will work. Sundara, like share your screen, no? So we see what happens. Oh, okay, awesome. Mute, please, Sundara. Mute. Why? Code is there now. No, no big deal. Okay, Chuck. Hello.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, fine. Open this thing. No, Git Bash.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. This thing. Get rid of all that. Like
yes.
backspace. Okay. Type in ls over there. Okay. Type in cd desktop. Capital D. Enter. Enter. Okay.
Okay.
Type ls again. Okay. Do this. Do a git clone over here. Git clone and then like paste your link.
Um, one second. Paste wasn't working.
Okay. Control Shift V. Yeah. Shift insert. Shift insert. My bad.
Yeah,
Shift
okay.
insert.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. Press enter. And that's it. You're done.
Okay,
So
fine.
everybody has it. No. Everybody is like cloned their own repositories, right?
Um, should I end the helping thing?
Okay. So as everybody this thing cloned it. Hello. Samyak's done, Sindhura's done, Vishal's done. Matthew, what are you waiting for? Matthew, what's happening? Okay, did you fork it? Okay, and okay, basically, okay, a screen share, no? Screen share and enable your mic. Are you sure the link you copied is thing correct only? Okay,
It's the
there's
one
no
itself, right?
no there's no this thing in the beginning. CD in the beginning.
Oh,
Just do git
okay.
clone. Yeah, just remove CD, it'll work.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Yeah, cool. Do it off. Done, yeah? Okay, so now everybody's cloned it, right? Okay, so watch what I'm doing over here. So over here I've cloned it. So I'm gonna make this folder called about. Cool. And I'm gonna go inside that. And over here I'm gonna name a file called uh, let's say Rohit. Fine. And inside this I'm just gonna like I'll describe myself. Okay, so I'm gonna make a new file called road.txt. I'm gonna add this file as we do always. I'm gonna commit this. Okay, and what I'm going to do next? Okay, so now I've committed it, right? So when I do git status, you see this over here, right? Your branch is ahead of origin master by one commit. What this means is on my this thing on my remote branch, I have one commit. Like on my local branch, I have one commit more than my remote branch. Okay, because on remote I haven't done this commit. Only on my machine I've done this. So if I want to push this commit, like if I want to put this commit onto my remote branch, the command I'm going to use is git push origin master. Okay, now they ask you the authentication. So my username is Rohit Varki and my password is, I'm not telling you that. Okay, that should work. Yeah. So now it's been pushed over there. Okay. So now what you can do is like you can go to my link over here. You can go to the link I gave you again. Press F. Yeah, go to my link and you see the new folder called about over there. Saw that? Hello. Yeah. So you guys understand how to do this thing, right? Push and all, right? Exactly. Oh, what? Oh, okay, wait. Sindhura, I'll repeat once. Just give me 1 second. Samik, origin is like a origin is a, what do you call it? It's a name for your URL. Like if you go to this thing over here and if you type in git remote minus v, you'll see origin https github.com rohit varki /web session, right? Did you see that? Git remote. Okay, so basically what origin is the alias for this URL. So when I'm saying git push origin master, what it means is push changes to this URL and this branch master. Understood? Okay, fine. So Sindhura, what I want you to do is I basically like what I did was I created this a folder called about, and inside that I'll show you. Uh, I, I create this folder called about, and inside about, my bad, sorry, and inside about, I created this file called root.txt. I committed that and I pushed that to my server. Okay, fine. Okay, now what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to learn what the remote is. So what I want you guys to do is what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to type this command in git remote add, it's called RVT, and then uh, 1 second. Okay, can you guys type that in? Worked, right? Okay, so once you do that, what I want to do, what I want you guys to do, I want to type in git pull RVT master. Yeah, there you go. Did everybody do that? So, go into about and you see that. Okay, what error did you get, Narendra? Go into about. You see the row that taste is here now. Um, can you use this thing? A screen share, please, Narendra. Screen share, please. Okay. Okay, Matthew. What you need, Matthew? You have to go into the file. What you have to do? CD, web club. Type ls, please, Matthew. Press enter. No. Type just ls. Ls enter. Okay. Okay. That's a lot of stuff. Wait. You want to say? Okay. Yeah. So you have to do this thing. CD, web club git session, and then run that command. W capital. W capital. Okay. Go back. Go back. Okay. Actually, it worked. Type ls. Okay. Yeah. Over here. Like run those commands over here. It'll work. Yeah. So
Okay.
basically, what happened was you guys are outside your directory. You were not inside the file, inside the directory. Only then you can do this. So what we did here was when you did git add remote RVT, what happened was like you're adding a remote. Like earlier, origin's a default remote. So origin points to your server. Like Narendra, original point to like his copy of the repository. For everybody else, it pointed their own copies of their repositories. Okay, but then when you're doing this remote add RVT, you're adding a link to my repository. So when you're pulling from there, what happens? Whatever change is not there in your repository, but is there in my repository, that gets merged onto yours. Understood? Okay. So now what I want you guys to do is type in git status. And one of you screen share, please, because it's going to be different from mine. Guys, type git status and tell me what you get. Wait, yeah, okay. Yeah, I can. Show me your this thing git bash, please. Okay, fine. Vishal is sharing. That's good enough. Sharing, my bad. Okay, Vishal. Okay, why did you close it off? Yeah, okay. Vishal, this is the old repository, right? This is not new repository, no? Okay, so someone else share who's been using new repository, not the old repository. Narendra. Okay, it's fine. Chuck, basically, I'll tell you what happened. Okay, fine. Narendra sharing. Fine. Okay, type in git status, please. Yeah, okay. Like, yeah, exactly. You guys see this, right? Your branch ahead of origin master, but two commits. But how two commits? So it should be one commit. Fine. Anyway, you look at Narendra's screen, everybody. You can see that your branch ahead of origin master by one commit. So what happened here is like when he did this thing like git pull, like it pulled and merged, right? So there's a Narendra, can you please type uh, git log log. Yeah, you see that the new commit which I made also came into that. So basically, you have a commit which is on your local machine, but which has not been pushed to your server. Okay, so how do you push this to your server? You use the same command I used. You do uh, git push origin master. Is everybody doing this? Narendra, I think your username will be the wait. I'll tell you your username. It won't be at the rate of this thing. That's your username. Yeah, exactly. Okay, did push, huh? Yeah, like okay, like it pushed. So now if you thing, go to your server one, yeah, you can see over here, you have about and road.txt inside over here. You can go see that. Yeah. So now what I want all of you guys to do is like inside your own repositories. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Actually, fine. So now what I want all of you guys to do is inside like all of you guys are updated here, right? Like you got it here, no? Samyak says yes. Narendra says yes, I know. Till this thing, pushing this thing to the repository, pushing about folder to repository. Okay, Sindhura, where did you reach? Okay, okay, fine, fine. After you do that, do git push or origin master. Is, is that working for you? Okay, fine. After this, do git push origin master, and then you're done. What about Matthew? Okay, Matthew's done. Cool. Okay, awesome. So now all of you guys are up to date with what is on my server, right? Okay, so now what I want you guys to do is I want all of you guys to like inside the about folder. I want all of you guys to like create a file just like I did, and then this thing push it to your repository. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll repeat. Create a file in about with your name and and description, the contents. I'll just take a break and come. Yeah, 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I will have 2 more minutes, man. Okay, fine. Check this, please, everybody. People, check the Nagarjuna screen, please. Are you guys seeing Nagarjuna screen? Matthew, get your password right, please. That's why you get an authentication problem. Uh, I didn't see it. Okay, people, just check Nagarjuna screen, please. What it says is to enable the copy option, you have to open the Git bash as administrator, and then right click on top of the window, and then go to defaults, and from defaults, what you have to do is you have to enable the quick edit, insert, and autocomplete modes and edit options, and then click OK. Yeah, do you guys hear? Do you guys hear me? Awesome. And what about the file thing? How's it going? Create a new file and this thing uh, pushed it yet? Awesome. Everybody's done. Narendra, I think you have unable to access. That's usually an internet problem. Okay, that's weird. Oh, okay, Vishal. Okay, Narendra. Can you show me a screen, please, Narendra? I'm not really sure what's the error. That's why. When you get in that error, like when you're trying to this thing, push it. Okay, wait. Let me check it. Okay, put about me inside about no, and name it with your name. So basically, you have an internet error. That's probably. Narendra, you have to add and commit. Yeah, always remember once you make a change, add, commit. Yeah, every time. Yeah, if you make any sort of change, you have to add commit. You can do this thing, git add dot. Okay, change one is good for now, but then, like when you're committing again, like always make sure that your commit messages describe what is happening. Okay, for now it's fine, it's cool, but then like in future when you're committing something, make sure like you describe what is happening, why you made that commit, because when somebody else is looking at your code after some time, that'll really help them. Cool. Try pushing now. Is everybody done? Everybody else, as in Sindhura, Vishal. Samyak. Okay, wait. Vishal, what's the problem? Okay, you made a new directory with the name. Okay, do this again. Uh, git add remote rvt. Okay, and wait. I'll just paste the command. Just wait 1 second. Do that command and then do git pull rvt master. Okay, and Narendra, yeah, git push origin master is correct. It's working. Yeah. Okay, fine. Matthew, what's happening on your end? Okay, what's happening? Are you getting an error or stuff? Okay, Matthew. Do it quickly, yeah? It's not very hard, yeah? Vishal, how's it going? Is it working? Awesome. Okay, one of you guys has already done Samyak or Sindhura or somebody. Can you just go to this link over here? Go to that link and show me what you see. Samyak, can you do that? open that link in your browser and then this thing, a screen share. Okay, awesome. And Vishal, pushing is this thing, git push origin master. Okay, I think there's an extra dot at the end. Amrik? Okay, wait. Yeah, you use that link. Ignore everything else and use that link. Awesome. Open up your browser, please. Yeah, cool. Show me. Okay. Click on pull request. No, it's on the right side, below issues. Yeah, click on that, and and click on this thing. New pull request. Okay, yeah. Fine. Click create pull request. You can't create pull request, huh? Okay, fine. Relax. Okay. This thing. Stop sharing. Okay, wait. Click on this thing. Compare master. Okay, you only have that. No, fine. Chill. Stop sharing. Yeah. I forgot how to put request. Let me just find out. Yeah. Give me two minutes. Amyak, um, go to your repository. Go to your repository and this thing. Screen share, please. Awesome. Okay. Click on this thing. A WebClub-GIT session. Okay. Now click on pull request, please. Okay. Type in. Okay. Click on new pull request. Yeah. Awesome. That's all. Fine. Don't create one now. You can do it together everybody else. Yeah. Thank you. Close off and stop sharing. Matthew, are you done? Yep. Well, that's fine. That's perfect. Matthew, you done? Okay. So everybody's are done, right? Okay. So now what I want all of you guys to do is I want all of you guys to do just what Samyak just now showed. Yeah, exactly. What this means is like basically you had a personal copy of your files, right? So now you made a change to that file and you push something to that. So now the parent repository is my repository. So if you want to like if you want to ask for your change stages, ask for your changes to be merged into my repository, you have to send us this thing. a pull request. So how you do that is you go to your own repository, and on the right side you have this pull request icon over here, and then click on pull request, and click on new pull request. Can everybody do that? So Sami, can you show it again? Can you use thing again, like screen share again and show everybody the same thing? Yeah, people check Sami's screen, please. Yeah, exactly. From here, you click on this thing, pull request. Yeah, you click on new pull request, and then you do create. Okay, over here you can, yeah, you can just click on this to create pull request. Yeah. So okay, now type in the a description for your request. So instead of about myself, make it clear. Who are you? Yeah, okay. And underneath that, you can write a small description about what you're doing. Okay. Now click on pull request. Create pull request. Yeah, that's all. So wait. I'll show you what happens now. So is everybody else also doing that? Okay. Okay. Matthew and Vishal. Sami, let's stop now. It's cool. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. So wait. Show you what happens now. So mm, when you send me pull requests, I am able to see this pull request over here. Can you see these? Yeah. Everybody. What happens here is like I can click on this. I can see the changes you made. I can see you have one commit that you want to merge, and the files that you want to merge is this thing. And so, and okay, at the end I can just say fine, this is fine. If I think it's fine, I'll do merge pull request, and I'll say yeah, fine, confirm merge. So now what happened here is if you go to my repository, inside about you'll have Sindhura.txt also. Yeah, Sindhura, congrats. So now I'll merge all the other people also. Wait up. Let me just merge off. Narendra, you're next. Merge pull request. There you go. Samyak. Okay. And Akshay. Yeah, done. So those are all the merges right now. So you guys can do if you guys do git pull rvt master now, like all of your comments will get merged into your repository. You understand? Did you understand what happened, all of you guys? Yeah, so basically, most of the open source organization, this is how they work. Like they have the center repository, which are expected to fork, and then you make changes into that repository, and then after you make changes, you issue a thing, pull request, and then the project maintainers they will go through your changes, and if they feel it's okay and if it's good, they'll merge it off. Yeah, so. So basically, like this is how the open source world works usually. So the workflow is fork, make changes, issue pull request. I don't think I've merged Vishal's and Matthew's, right? Oh yeah, Vishal's here. I'm merging Vishal. Wait. Okay, that's done. Okay, and one more thing from now on, like avoid about me, because you don't know who me is, right? Like you have to go look at the author from them on about me, right? So you make it very explicit. You don't make I and all. You make you type in your own name. Matthew, what's up? Screen share, Matthew. We will figure it out together. So now what I want all of you guys to do is I want all of you guys to pull from my repository. You know how to do that, right? Okay. Somebody type in the command to like pull from my repository. One of you guys. No one? Come on. I want you guys to pull the yeah, exactly. Samyak. Perfect. Perfect. And now check your about directory. Awesome. So Matthew, what's happening? Screen share, no? Yeah, RVT is basically a remote. I told you about remotes, right? So basically, what remotes mean is like this is a remote server. So RVT is the URL. So basically, my origin is your RVT. Yeah, Matthew, are you there? Okay, screen share, da. Let's see what the problem is. We're done. Screen share. I'm not sure about Windows. I use Linux. Nagarjuna, this is your area. Yeah, I know. Cat is how you do it in Linux. I don't know how to do it in Windows. Try cat, see if it works. Oh, awesome. Matthew, Thank you guys for being there. I'm exhausted. I'm going to leave out here. Bye bye. Nagarjuna, you can take over.